We're gonna go visit one of my favorite fish stores here in the Chicagoland area.
We've got saltwater and freshwater.
But first,
What is this?
What's up, Smurfette? What have you guys been doing during quarantine?
Did you see the piranhas?
This is fresh, squeezed.
Joe, come back here.
what's up guys? Good to see you. Been a while. So this is my first video back from the Asia trip. Now, I made 33 videos in 2 months. Crazy trip. First announcement is that Asher and I are gonna be going live here on my YouTube channel. On December 28th, we're doing a live stream and we're gonna be answering questions that you had about all the videos from the trip. The second thing, my Instagram is disabled. Don't know why Instagram and Facebook think that I'm Russia, that I'm trying to hack the election. All I wanna do is just post photos of my fish. If you guys know anyone at Facebook or Instagram who can get me my account back, I don't know if I would get it back without one of you maybe being able to reach out and help me out. The third thing, my merch, guys, it's available now for the holidays and I would get it as quickly as possible to make sure that you receive it on time. We got the Coilfish 12G embroidered hat. We got the retro Coilfish 12G hoodie that you've seen me wear in so many of my videos. You got the classic embroidered tee that I wear pretty much every day. And I have seen all your requests to redrop my 500K exclusive t-shirt. That is this one right here. A lot of you didn't even know that I dropped this exclusive piece of merch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this shirt available for the next 2 weeks, which is basically until the end of 2020. I absolutely love the way this shirt turned out. If you guys want one, make sure to get it by the end of 2020. It's got my clownfish, my seahorses, my mantis shrimp. It's got all my animals on it. It's super epic. So if you want the merch, make sure to visit coralfish12g.com.
What's up, Smurfette? You looking fine today. You looking really mighty blue. Yo, Smurfette, did you hear that new song about you? Smurfette, Smurfette.
Corvette.
The cool thing about Smurfette is that she's got like a billion arms. So you'll see she's got her 2 massive like big claws, but then she's got these like 4 little mini claws down here, and she's even got like all these little hands that are like moving like crazy inside and out, and then she's even got her back claws.
Smurfette, how's quarantine been going? Yeah, I forgot about that.
So what have you guys been doing during quarantine?
What? You guys have been selling drugs? What do you mean? No. Who's been letting you do this? They've been letting you just deal drugs on the side? Guys, it's a felony. You can't do that. This has got to stop right now. And if you guys don't, I'm cutting you off. Yep, that Fritz salt, fresh, healthy salt. Yeah, I'm cutting you guys off.
You're telling me that you guys have just been sitting here watching this happen and you didn't let me know? You guys are supposed to be the guard buffers. I told you to keep an eye on them. Now we're gonna go visit one of my favorite fish stores here in the Chicagoland area, Gingerbread Tropical Fish and Coral. But first, let's go see what my parents are up to.
Did you see the piranhas?
Yes, I see them every day.
But look how big his teeth are.
I know, they're huge.
And his scales are really shiny, which is really pretty.
Oh, little Mally. What you doing over here, Dad?
I'm squeezing fresh orange juice.
This is a lot of oranges, man. Are you feeding a whole village?
No, I'm doing one for me, one for Mom, and one for you. Here is your fresh orange juice squeezed in Chicago. This is fresh squeezed orange juice from real oranges, okay? And it has vitamin C. It helps your immune system, and you're not gonna get the coronavirus if you drink it right now. Is it necessary to say that? I love orange juice. This is my second glass today. Okay, cheers.
I'm now off to go see the Ginger Boys. Been a long time since I've seen them.
Say hello to them.
I will.
All right, we've made it to Gingerbread Tropical Fish and Coral. We're here because they have a crazy sale. Boys, where's your brother?
It's a warehouse.
Ah, so we're gonna go visit him later. Nick works here at the store. His brother is currently working at their new warehouse. But Joe, there's the light bulb aquariums that we made.
You overfilled, you mean?
Yeah. Are they supposed to be blinking like that?
I have no idea why they're doing that.
Hey, go terrorize the twins. Go.
Hey, Daddy.
Oh, wow. What is this?
It's called a haircut, unlike yours. Bow.
Pow! Vote for Chris or Joe's hair.
This video is sponsored by Fritz Aquatic. So what is your favorite Fritz product that you carry in the store?
Favorite one now is this one that they just came out with. What it is, it's ammonia. Then you use it in part with turbo start, and you can use this to artificially cycle your tank. Something that you'd have to go to the store and buy like actual liquid ammonia, but it's nice that they sell an actual dropper bottle for ammonia now to use with your turbo start.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Isn't ammonia bad for your tank?
It is, but in high levels. Basically, you use is to initially cycle your tank, and you use that in combination with turbo start, and it'll basically create an instant cycle in your aquarium without having livestock in that tank.
Well, that's some donuts.
More donuts?
More donuts.
This is the second time you've gotten donuts in one day, Joe.
Yes.
Nick, it has been a month since I've seen you. Thank you for taking care of my fish while I was gone. You did a very good job. How was that? Big George said it was a blast. You'd come over, you guys would hang out.
Yeah, your mom's a really good cook.
So yeah, she'd make you dinner sometimes. So like, what's new with your shop?
We launched our website a couple weeks ago, and basically we're running a sale on the website. It's 20% off for all the coral. We have a decent amount of stuff on there, a bunch of torches, a bunch of balsos, a bunch of other pieces of coral. Been expanding a little bit, kind of just adding tanks here and there.
Here.
What are you?
Tell me about Brody. Who's Brody?
Brody's been a friend from high school. He kind of came in and started like working a little bit, and then basically told him he's working full time, and he's helping me out.
So Brody
Now
is your
he-
new little minion.
Yes.
And there's another new little minion.
AJ.
Dude, you're
Brody
growing.
and AJ.
The Gingerbread twins are growing.
So we're a smaller store, Gingerbread Tropical Fish and Coral. We've got saltwater and freshwater. So we started with coral, so a lot of people think that we only do coral, but we actually have expanded to freshwater. We've got about 10 tanks of saltwater tanks on the sides. And we've also got a tier system in the back where we keep our clowns and our inverts. We've got a massive tier island in the middle that's got all your coral, huge selection of coral, tons of anything you're looking for. Basically, we have high-end stuff, low-end stuff. We got frags from $15 all the way up to thousands, just kind of depending what your budget is. So we're located off of Plainfield Road in Illinois. If you're not local, we do recently started our website, so you can check us out at gingerbreadtropicalfishandcoral.com, where we do ship coral. With the holidays coming up, we're going to be running a big holiday sale, which will be in-store as well as online.
All right, well, dude, it's been good seeing you. I picked up some corals. I'm gonna be putting these in my tank. Thank you, appreciate
no
it.
problem, dude.
And I'm gonna go visit your brother real quick because he's got the merch. All right, so where are we?
It was pretty random.
This is the new Twins. I've been gone for some time, and the Twins have been making moves. Tell me about this space, boys. What's going on here?
So this is where we sell all of our online stuff, and then we ship your orders to people.
Whoa.
Take the key. You might need this to operate it.
You guys lift me up on this?
I can, I'm not going to.
I'm gonna break it then. Guys, I have a pitch for you. $5 right here
Okay, I'll take
for
it.
50% of your company.
That's cute.
Deal?
No.
Won't want to be ya.
So a lot of you guys don't know this, but the Gingerbread Twins actually fulfill my merch. And so, because I just got back, I mentioned it earlier, we're re-dropping the exclusive 500 KT.
Hot off the press. We got 100 more of them.
But guys, look at these. Look at how cool this is, guys. You guys can't feel it through the camera, but that's silky soft. Custom inside tag. This shirt is gonna help you get the chicks or the boys, whatever you roll. Remember to get them right now. The website is Coralfish12G.
My other merch is here as well, right?
This is one of the classic black t-shirts. It's got the embroidered logo on it. Then we got the blue hat here, you know, super dope, little happy clownfish.
Hey, watch out. Wait, you got hoodies? Coralfish12G hoodie, guys. I thought I'd never see the day. Just take my money right now.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep.
We have so much to offer for you guys. If you're the fan that George is looking for, you should definitely cop this stuff. Maybe even wear it to next Aquashella.
Guys, this is what happens when you give two 18-year-olds a business and a warehouse and equipment. You know what, these guys are killing it. I'm so happy. I'm really proud of these twins for being able to expand. They're doing some awesome things. So if you're ever in Illinois, make sure to check out their fish store. It is just an awesome place.
All right, we just got home. I like your merch.
Yes, it's really comfy too. Like, no joke. I'm not even trying to be nice. It is comfy.
Hey guys, what's up?
I got you some sweet new corals. No, we have to acclimate them before you can do anything.
Acclamation.
Acclimation. Acclimation.
So you can see the new corals are these zoanthids right up here in the front. We got this trumpet coral here in the back. That is a Gani right there, which is short for Goniopora, flower pot coral. So these guys can't complain now. I've got these guys some new coral for their crib.
What a long day it was. We had a lot to do with the different tanks. We got it done. We got some new coral for my fish, which is super exciting. I'm gonna call it a win. I'm gonna call it a good day. So yeah, remember, I'm re-releasing 100 more pieces of my exclusive merch. So if you missed out when I announced it while I was gone, this is gonna be your last and final chance. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give it a like down below and subscribe if you have not already. I feel like we are really now starting to get close to 1 million. If you have been watching these videos for a long time, I know there's a lot of you out there that watch them, but you're not subscribed. It does help support me if you click that red button. It really, really does. Please do that if you have not already. I will see you guys in the next one, but until then, remember to keep those nitrates low. George out.
Remember to subscribe to his channel.
The website is actually
George out! Joe out!